In April 2018, the United Nations General Assembly declared June 3 as International World Bicycle Day. The resolution for World Bicycle Day recognizes the uniqueness, longevity, and versatility of the bicycle, which has been in use for 2 centuries, and that it is a simple, affordable, reliable, clean and environmentally fit sustainable means of transport. Professor Leszek Sobilski from the United States led a grassroots campaign with his sociology class to promote a UN resolution for World Bicycle Day, eventually gaining the support of Turkmenistan and 56 other countries. The original UN blue and white number JUNE3 World Bicycle Day logo was designed by Isaac Feld, and the accompanying animation was done by Professor John E. Swanson. It depicts bicyclists of various types riding around the globe. At the bottom of the logo is the hashtag number JUNE3 World Bicycle Day. The main message is to show that the bicycle belongs to and serves all of humanity. The current blue and white number World Bicycle Day logo again was designed by Isaac Feld, and the accompanying animation was done by Professor John E. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.